This is the all-new 2026 Volkswagen Tayron R-Line, and this SUV proves that Volkswagen is done playing safe. Bigger than the Tiguan, more premium than ever, and packed with modern technology, the Tayron R-Line is designed to impress from every angle. Today on Voco Car Reviews, we're taking a full look at why this might be one of the smartest SUV choices of 2026. So make sure you watch till the end. One look at the front and you can tell this SUV means business. The wide gloss black grille, sharp LED matrix headlights, and the illuminated Volkswagen logo give it a bold and futuristic look. The R-Line package adds aggressive bumpers, sporty air intakes, and blacked-out details that instantly make the Tayron stand out on the road. It has a strong presence that feels more premium than most SUVs in its segment. From the side, the longer wheelbase gives the Tayron a solid and muscular stance. The large alloy wheels, R-Line badges, and black window trims add a sporty character, while the clean body lines keep it elegant and mature. At the rear, the full-width LED light bar and dynamic indicators complete the premium design, especially at night when it looks absolutely stunning. Step inside. And this is where the 2026 Tayron R-Line really separates itself from the competition. The cabin feels modern, clean, and high quality. A large floating touchscreen infotainment system dominates the dashboard, featuring the latest Volkswagen software with smooth graphics, quick response, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and built-in navigation. The fully digital instrument cluster is sharp and customizable, giving you all the information you need at a glance. The R-Line interior adds a sporty touch with a flat bottom, steering wheel, aluminum pedals, contrast stitching, and premium upholstery. Soft touch materials are used throughout the cabin, and the overall build quality feels solid and expensive. Ambient lighting with multiple color options creates a classy and relaxing atmosphere, making night drives feel extra special. Space is another major highlight of the Tayron. Rear seat passengers enjoy excellent legroom and headroom, making it comfortable even for tall adults. In select markets, the Tayron also offers a third row, turning it into a practical 7-seater SUV for families. The boot is spacious, and with the seats folded, it easily handles luggage, shopping, or long road trips. Under the hood, Volkswagen offers a range of engines depending on the market. These include turbocharged petrol engines, efficient diesel options, and plug-in hybrid variants for better fuel economy. Paired with Volkswagen's DSG automatic transmission, the Tayron delivers smooth and quick gear changes. Some versions also feature the 4Motion all-wheel drive system, giving you extra confidence on wet roads or rough terrain. On the road, the Tayron R-Line feels refined and comfortable. The suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly, making city driving smooth while highway cruising feels stable and relaxed. Steering is light and precise, making the SUV easy to handle despite its size. It's clearly built for daily comfort, long journeys, and family use. Safety and technology are strong points here. The Tayron comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. These features not only improve safety but also make driving more relaxed and stress-free. Overall, the 2026 Volkswagen Tayron R-Line is a big step forward for Volkswagen. It replaces the Tiguan Allspace with a more premium design, a better interior, improved technology, and a more refined driving experience. This SUV feels modern, stylish, and practical at the same time. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, share it, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel Voco Car Reviews for more latest car reviews, walkarounds, and first looks. Drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know if the 2026 Tayron R-Line would be your choice. I'll see you in the next video on Voco Car Reviews.